Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. So let's go forward and open the Snapchat application right here. And then at the top left corner just hit the icon with your Bitmoji right here. And I'm waiting for this page to load. And right here at the top right corner, as you can see, there is a gear icon which will lead you to the settings option page. And let's see this icon right here. So as you can see, if you scroll through these options right here, you will find the one that is called Bitmoji. So let's tap on that. And right here, as you can see, we have this option: change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. But the one that we need right now in order to remove the Bitmoji from our account is the very last option right here: unlink my Bitmoji. So I'm going to tap on that and then hit remove. So as you can see right here, the Bitmoji has been removed from my account, and now if I want, I can create a new Bitmoji for my Snapchat account. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.